Hello everybody, so today I want to show you how to find these double integrals. So we have e to the power of 4x plus y. We can write into e to the 4x and e to the power of y. So in this one we can put like this. We have e to the power of y. This here about dy will go to this one. And the next one that is about ds. So the integration of this one, we have e to the power of y, and we put the bounds from number 1 to ln number 4. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 4 e to the power of 4x, and we put the bounds from 0 to ln number 3. So I will put this one gone here, number 1 gone here. And this one we have 4 ln number 3 minus 1 over 4 e to the power of number 0, because number 4 multiplied by number 0, you got number 0. So this one we have the formula in here. And the second one I will put number 4 gone here, because that is about the formula in here. After you got ln number 3 to the power of 4, we can apply this formula in here. And this one we have 4 minus e. This one we have number 3 to the power of 4 minus 1 over 4. So we calculate this one, and we have number 20. This is the end. Thank you for watching.